Okay, we're looking at a 2018 GMC Terrain SLT. It's an all-wheel drive. It's only got 8,000 miles on it. It's a GM company vehicle. Okay, it's Summit white in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Got your lock unlock button in the door handles, front and rear. Okay, it is an SLT. It's got the rear backup camera, all-wheel drive. Exterior of this vehicle is in great shape. It's an 18 with only 8,000 miles on it. The nice chrome grille there. All right, this is the all-new redesigned Terrain 2. Let's take a look inside. You got your black on black door panels. Nice trim through here. Got the memory seats, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Okay, it's got your power lift gate, Bose audio. Got your black leather power driver seat. All right, leather's in great shape. Still has that new car smell too. Keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat leather's in great shape. Okay, there's your all-wheel drive button there. You got two-wheel, four-wheel, and then you got your all-wheel drive, heated seats. Got your cup holders there. You got a USB, SD card reader, auxiliary, power supply outlet down there, and it does have the push-button transmission. Okay, everything's just with a push of a button now. Climate control area there. You're going to have your display screen here with the backup camera and navigation. I'll show you that in a second. Alright, it does have the push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls with Bluetooth. It even has the heated steering wheel. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Alright, it's got 8,981 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up here, let's take you to your home screen. Okay, these are all your apps. It's even got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, backup camera. Let's go ahead and engage the navigation. Alright, your backup camera. Alright, and then back to your home screen. Alright, AC is blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Got your dual climate controls. And once again, got your push button transmission. Simply with the push of a button. Okay, back into drive and then back into park. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, let's go ahead and flip these back up. Alright, okay. Door panels look good. Carpet back here is in good shape. Okay, you got two more USB ports here, another power outlet down there. Alright, back seat leather. Doesn't even look like anybody sat back here. I mean, it's in fantastic shape. Still got the new car smell like I mentioned earlier. Okay, only 8,000 miles on a 2018. Alright, got the cup holders there. Basically getting a new car for the used car price. Alright, here's your driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, it does have the power lift gate. Let's see, this should be down here. Simply press that button there. Nice and smooth coming up. Alright, carpet back here looks good. More storage area down there. Step to the side, you can really see how much room you got back here. A ton of room. Alright. And then to engage the lift gate, simply press that button. Nice and smooth coming down. Alright, let's check out the wheels and tires. We've got 18-inch alloys. Alright. Tires are still in good shape. No problems there. Alright, once again, it's a 2018 GMC Terrain all-wheel drive. Only 8,000 miles on it. Was a GM company vehicle here. Okay. This thing's in great shape. It's like getting a new car for the used car price. You got to come down, check this one out, take a test drive. Thank you so much for watching the video.